In this video, I'll show you how to edit an accordion element in Brightspace. First, open your course and navigate to the content page that contains the accordion you want to update. In this example, I'll select Course Essentials. Next, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the page and select Edit. Once the page opens in edit mode, scroll down to the accordion element you want to modify. Move your cursor over the accordion and you'll see several editing options appear. Select the pencil icon to edit the accordion. This opens the Insert Element window. From here, you can modify the title and content for each accordion tab. For example, if the accordion contains your course syllabus, you can select the appropriate tab and replace the existing text with your updated information. You can also use the editor tools to add text, links, images, or other content. After making your changes, scroll to the bottom and select Preview if you want to review how the accordion will appear to students. When you are satisfied with the changes, select Insert to update the accordion. Finally, select Save and Close to save the changes to the page. Your accordion has now been updated in Brightspace. That concludes the video.